Learn how to draw starting from the absolute basics. Nervous to start figure drawing because it looks daunting? This class will teach you how to use lines and shapes to draw figures easily. Hello, I'm Illustrator COSMOS. I have 10 years of experience teaching beginners and now work as an instructor at Artum Academy. Shapes are the simplest 3D form we can think of. I will teach you how to split and modify them, enhancing your understanding of depth and adding a three-dimensional quality to your work. Figures drawn only with shapes could look rigid and unnatural. To prevent that, I will share tips and tricks for force drawing, which uses the movement and weight of the muscles to express a character's aura and emotions, giving them a natural look. If you continuously copy others' work or draw only what you're good at, your drawings may all be the same. With me, you'll learn how to pick out only the necessities from your references to design unique characters. This class makes figure drawing easy by starting from the very basics. So don't be afraid and join me on a journey of drawing. I am an Illustrator COSMOS. I'll be waiting for you at Colosso.